Assam government atum New Maligarh Refinery Limited along Kechengsi Tangka Abeng Kuti Pharohini ra Pharo Phora Lak Troxike Brake Thom An Kipi Ponpen Labangso company along Equity Bat Ponlo Kedamtang Bhomkuru Arni Assam Cabinet Hinpen New Maligarh Refinery along Project Expansion of Hanpura Kuti Pharoner Kebra Inkoreke Thoma Tangka An Puthot Kipi Bon Thuja Phan Chekroi Ponlo Lapuana tangka ki pidun lake non New Maligarh Refinery along 3 million metric tons jang thuki phur ponbomadim 9 million metric tons sana jakong ke padu jila pe New Maligarh Refinery pen Paradip Odisha an crude pipeline ka salam an pata New Maligarh Refinery pen Siliguri West Bengal along an product pipeline ka salam ponjia phan ke dengpon kutisuri in koraner cap social project lo State Minister Jayanta Mala Barua Hinpen Kaningje Ponatengke Government atum New Maligarh Refinery Limited along Kechengsi Tangka Abeng Kuti Pharohini ra Pharo Phora Lak Troxike Brake Thom An Kipi Ponpen Labangso company along Equity Bat Ponpo Labangso Maya along Cabinet Hinpen Lang Aron Prevention and Control of Pollution Assam Rules 2022 along Masapso Kelar ki padoponja phansitami chiparai pon padolo Labangso Aron along Jasimet Arna Makumlin Lang along ke jok mate kelodama puthaksi Jasimet RDB ponlo State X report Caribbean Live